Chris Hemsworth, 38, had no qualms with going fully nude for a scene in Thor, Love and Thunder. In fact, the hunky actor revealed at the red carpet premiere in Los Angeles on June 23 that he's been waiting for the opportunity to show off his bare butt in a Marvel film. "It was 10 years in the making, that scene," he told Variety. "It was a dream of mine. The first time I played Thor, I took my shirt off and I thought, you know what's gonna sweeten this? A decade from now, it's all gonna come off, and here we are." Speaking to Entertainment Tonight, Chris said it was a lot of work to get his butt in top-notch shape before he filmed the nude scene. "It was 11 years in the making, that shot," he explained. "In each film we've taken off another item of clothing, and now we just kind of took it all off." Chris then motioned at director Taika Waititi, who was standing nearby on the carpet, and added, "And that was all his doing." Chris, Taika, Natalie Portman, Tessa Thompson, and more famous faces gathered at Los Angeles El Capitan Theater on Thursday to celebrate the fourth Thor film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, set to come out July 8, 2022. It's a direct sequel to Thor, The Dark World, and Thor, Ragnarok, and marks Chris's 9th appearance as Thor in the MCU. In this comic book flick, Natalie's character Jane Foster will yield Mjolnir, the legendary hammer, and become the mighty Thor. Tessa returns as Valkyrie, Jamie Alexander as Sif, and Jeff Goldblum as Grandmaster. Chris Pratt, Karen Gillan, Pom Klementif, Dave Bautista, Vin Diesel, and Bradley Cooper will also reprise their roles from the Guardians of the Galaxy films. Christian Bale plays the villain Gore the God Butcher, while Russell Crowe cameos as Zeus.